Hey guys, Cam from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here today to show you through some amazing product we have in store from Pancho and Lefty, directly out of the States. We bring this stuff straight into you, straight out of Texas. Pancho and Lefty are known for their steak cooking game in the States, and these rubs are amazing. I can tell you now I've had some great success in the SCA Steak Cookoff Association with them. Really love this one. This is the steak rub, so this is the quintessential Pancho and Lefty rub. Amazingly well balanced rub. This rub here has won so many world championships in the steak cook-offs. It's unbelievable. So if you want to lift up your steak game, this is the rub to go for. Next up will be the High Plains barbecue dust. Now this is a finishing dust for me. It's got some amazing sugar in it, so I finish my steaks with this, and it turns out phenomenally. I have used it on pork as well, pork shoulder, and it is just phenomenal. I really enjoy this rub. Yeah, another really good one to pair with the steak rub. The next one is the dark horse of them all, is the fajita rub, the Rio Grande fajita rub. This is the newer rub from Pancho and Lefty. I really like it on my chicken fajitas. So this one here, I would, if you really like your Mexican food, give it a go. Last but certainly not least is the steak marinade. Now this is the secret weapon for the Steak Cookoff Association. If you're not using this as a marinade for your steaks and steak cook-off, you're already behind. So I really would suggest using that. These rubs are now available at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries online and in store. Check them out, guys, and we'll speak to you soon.